Yum, 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 yum. Hello. I know it's been a long time since I haven't been posting because I've been like into my job and my university a lot that I could barely find time to record, but I'm here today. Today's video is about doing makeup only with eyeshadow palette. But yeah, there's no buts. Just gonna start. Honestly, I don't have anything in mind about how am I gonna do my eyeshadow and like my eyes and everything, so we'll just start doing them. We'll see how they look. First, I'm gonna put my moisturizer on my face. Can you see my new pimple? It's like so ugly. I apply my moisturizer. I'm not applying primer because the primer that I have is not the one that I like. It just makes my foundation looks you know, so I'm not applying it. Moisturizer is enough. Then I'm going to use this new BB cream that I just bought, and I wanted something to like be for daily use because I don't apply foundation. And they like gave me this Arborian, a Korean skin therapy. So this is my first time using it after I purchased it. We'll see how it looks. This is so like watery, but it's just the perfect match for my skin. It's so lightweight. My color corrector has not arrived yet, but I have this sample of the same brand. It's color corrector, so I'm gonna use it on my this ugly pimple a bit, so I can like kill the redness here. I'm just gonna spread my foundation with a brush. Today I'm not doing it with beauty blender. By the way, you know that I cannot apply my foundation in an eyeshadow, so don't come at me telling me I'm telling lies. I cannot put my face with an eyeshadow. So I applied my BB cream and it's just so lightweight and it feels like literally nothing on my skin. And it is lightweight, but we'll see how it looks after like an hour or two. So I want to start with my eyes. So we'll go out to use concealer. You can spread it with your finger, tap tap. Now that I applied my concealer on my eyelid, I'm gonna go and a bit of primer as well. I like putting primer on concealer because it just makes my eyeshadow set very, very nice. I forgot to do my eyebrows, but I don't do like eye pencil on my eyebrows. I always use a NYX glue. I'm gonna show you. I try to do it like before even applying my foundation because after it looks a bit weird. But anyway, we're gonna do it now.
Oh my god, I lost my...
Oh, thought that I lost it, but it was on my table. It's so good that you can see my table. It's a mess, honestly. My birthday flower. Okay, yeah, I'm using like this one to just put my Middle Eastern eyebrows on their place. I don't need pencil to make it look fuller. I did my eyebrows. Now we're going with the eyeshadow. I recently bought this NYX eyeshadow palette. I did a makeup with it on my TikTok and it just perfect. This is the eyeshadow palette. I have a video upcoming. I bought like a bunch of stuff from Shein and I want to do an unboxing, so I'll probably do it. And another makeup video is coming. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's perfect and I'm sure you will like it. As I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my makeup. I'm just here doing it randomly, whatever pops in my mind, and now my mind is telling me to use this blue. And I get the excess. So just gonna start applying under my lashes. It's like doing it from under my eyes and like taking it upward. And if you want my honest opinion, I think this eyeshadow palette, the pigment and everything could be a lot better. But we'll deal with what we have here. So then I'm gonna go with a dark purple and kind of connect them together. Okay, this is our base for the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna like make them all a bit darker. Now I'm gonna take the blue again. This is what we have so far. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I have this new obsession with like doing my eyes so rainbow and colorful. So we're gonna use another color, pink maybe. We're gonna pick pink and connect this purple line to the inner corner with pink. And then I'm gonna like fade the pink towards my eyelid. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna do the same to this one. This is what I have. I just love it. So it looks like it's nice. Okay, I love it. Then for like the areas that I didn't put eyeshadow, I'm gonna do something. I think something like a shiny green would look nice. I hope. Let's try it and see how it looks. What do you think? The shine is not that showing that much, but since I need a bit of a shine, I'm gonna add this Miss Mercury highlighter. I'm gonna get up with this brush and gentle and widen it in the middle of my eyelid. And for the inner corners, maybe the same. This is it. I want some chunky glitters that I'm gonna pick it up with my finger and just put it here. Oh my god, I just love it. Now I'm gonna do a bit of mascara and I wanna add eyelashes. So I'm not gonna curl my lashes and just make them a bit black. I have this 3D Huda Beauty eyelashes that I just cut them. So I'm gonna use them for the outer corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use this glue every time. I'm picking up my eyelashes like this with a tweezer and applying the glue on the band. Waiting for it to get tacky. Nope, nope. Replank it. Oh my god! It never happened. happened to me? The tweezers, like something's sticking on my tweezer. The lashes get so. Finally, but I just think it's not on my outer corner enough. Oh my god, why this lash is driving me crazy. I don't know how some makeup artists, they just like boom and it's done. How they go like boom, boom, boom. Like it takes a long time for me to apply this. Yay, I did it. Yeah, this is good now. Now the next one. I just hope that I'll be able to just apply this like fast. Okay, I can't believe I just did it with one try.
How some makeup artists, they just like boom and it's done.
Yeah, now we'll wait for it to get dry. Oh, the thing is, I always, for my eyeshadows, I always use this fixing spray. It's a MAC fixing spray. So, waiting for this to get dry, then I'm gonna put this on my eyeshadow so that they will like stay in place and they won't get like everywhere. I'm gonna apply a bit of first. I'm gonna do concealer on my eye. Okay, now that I applied my concealer, I'm trying to find my fixing powder. I'm gonna let it set under my eyes for a bit. And then apply my mascara on my lower lash. Oh, I got color corrector on my brush. Okay. Now that we're done with the eyes, we'll go for the rest of the face. Let's go for blush. Gonna use this pink orange color and like this one that's a bit like darker. I'm gonna mix them and apply them for my blush. No matter what I do, I think I just gotta accept this big pimple. But it's healing, so I'm like here, tell myself everything's gonna be alright. Then a bit here. For the contour, we'll be using these two shades of the Arium eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start with contouring my nose. That's what I always do. I like push my nose a bit up and then apply the line here, like this. Then I apply a bit here. Blender. I don't normally contour my like cheeks, but I can do a bit of it to get that snatched look. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use the same highlighter palette with highlighter brush. The thing is, I don't know what's wrong with me, but like every time I use my brushes, I do this, then I put them back and I wash them ever since. And one bin, cleaning here. so tucked up. This H&M lip gloss is just so cute and pretty. Maybe let's try this. I never tried it. Okay, it doesn't have that much of a pigment, so we're gonna do one thing. We are gonna apply a bit of lipstick first, just randomly. What did I say? To give it a bit of color, then we'll apply this. Yeah, I think it looks a little better now. This is the finished final look. Yeah, my bangs are growing and I just don't know how to style them. I mean, it just looks ugly 24/7. I cannot style them in any way. I just don't know what to do with my hair. Maybe you can help me in the comment section. Tell me what the hell should I do with my hair. Yes, I hope that you had fun with me.
Fake crying, fake YouTuber.
Shut the f***.
Crocodile tears.
Sometimes it just annoys me a lot that I just want to slit his throat open. Not that I just want to, as one of my friends said.